100 years ago, the land covered by present-day Ghana was made up of about 70% forests. Today, that figure has declined to less than 10%. Scholars estimate that by 2026, that is 3 years from now, forests outside forest reserves will have been completely disseminated. Even within forest reserves, it is estimated that half of such areas are seriously degraded or without any forest at all. The major cause of this destruction is the timber industry, another exploitative industry like mining. To quote one researcher, even though one of the reasons given to justify the struggle for independence in the then Gold Coast was mismanagement of our forest resources by foreigners, forest exploitation worsened in the post-colonial period, unquote. In plain English, we have done more damage to our forests than our colonial masters did. Why did we do this to ourselves?